The Operator's Manual project, also known as OPM, is one of our leading auto manufacturing clients' groundbreaking low-code solutions that prioritizes digital transformation. OPM is not just any ordinary solution, it's built through the powerful Appian portal, allowing our team to create highly customized business solutions that connect customers, employees, systems, and processes quickly and efficiently. Roboyo partnered with our client's internal Center of Excellence to build an Appian-based app that streamlines the manual process of printing engine manuals, replacing it with a modern and digitized solution. With OPM, users can now access digital manuals 24/7 from any device, anywhere in the world. The process flow is simple and intuitive, where users can easily go to a URL, enter the engine number, and download the specific manual they need. To retrieve the necessary information, the app calls 3 in-house business APIs, generating or retrieving a PDF based on that call. This PDF can then be downloaded through the Appian portal, making the entire process smooth and seamless. The OPM solution is designed for 2 distinct personas: the end user of the engine, who needs quick and easy access to engine manuals, and the internal user, who could be either a technical writer or an internal manager. The OPM solution makes it easy for the internal user to keep track of manuals and ensure they are up to date and easily accessible. For the internal manager's use case, we've included a reports function that enables the manager to follow up on business-specific KPIs and ensure everything is running smoothly. The OPM solution provides numerous benefits, including increased accessibility, improved user experience, a highly organized repository of manuals, and a reduction in our client's environmental impact by not printing manuals. By replacing the manual process of printing engine manuals with a modern, digitalized solution, we're leveraging cutting-edge technology built using Appian's low-code platform to deliver real business value. And we're continuously looking to extend the scope of our project and scale it even further, as the potential for growth and expansion is immense for the future of work.